All VoltDrops are required to be installed by electricians for safety reasons. Connect the ground wire of the VoltDrop to an available nut on the ground bar. Screw in until the cable is tight under the nut. Now you're ready to start attaching the blue Rogowski coil with the VoltSafe harness. Starting with phase A, take one of the Rogowski coils and remove the plastic sheath from the tooth on the VoltSafe harness. Ensure the arrow on the VoltSafe harness is pointing towards the direction of the flow of current, and wrap the Rogowski coil around the entire bundle of phase A feeder cables. Feeder cables may be positioned above the distribution board or placed inside the distribution board. Twist lock the VoltSafe harness and connector to close the Rogowski coil. Listen for an audible click. Select one of the cables, if there are multiple, for phase A, and weave the zip ties around the VoltSafe harness to align the tooth tap. We recommend piercing the cable with the tooth tap closer to the lug, as it will be easier to penetrate it at this point. Properly position the VoltSafe harness tooth and press it firmly against the cable to ensure secure contact. Tighten the zip ties to hold the harness in place and ensure the tooth tap penetrates the cable sheathing. The ties should be tightened securely to maintain firm connection. Repeat the same process for phase B and phase C. Now take your VoltDrop unit and connect the VoltSafe harness wires to the corresponding VoltDrop terminals, starting with phase A, and then B, and then C. Listen for an audible snap. The VoltDrop can be secured to the panel wall with its magnets or additionally secured using the molded plastic screw tab. Make sure the antenna is orientated vertically so that it can pick up the gateway signal. This can be up or down. A solid green light indicates that everything is online and functioning properly. If a different light sequence appears, you can check its meaning in our app or on the platform knowledge base. If no light is showing, it typically means there is no signal. Ensure that the gateway is set up and located within approximately 25 meters of the distribution board your VoltDrop is installed on. Thank you for choosing Tether.